Good morning, good people. How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you're new to the page, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell. We are up looking at the CPI data. Hey, good morning, good morning. Man, look at that sharp dress. Look at this sharp dressed gentleman. All right, good morning, good morning. Yeah, let's see what CPI brings. All right, let's look before a CPI. Let's do that. We could see that NASDAQ is up 68 points, the S&P is up 19 points, and the Dow is up 204 points. Actually been falling. The NASDAQ was up earlier, higher, all right? So the NASDAQ is what we're looking at along with the S&P, all right? So we're just going to look at those, and we're going to go right into let's see if we can get some talk going here. We got some bow chicka wow wow going on. All right, we'll come right back to that when they go live. Hopefully this station goes live also. It's got stock market live coverage. I can't air the other. Can't air CNBC because they spanked your boy for airing their stuff live. So we're going to see. We got 1 minute, good people. So we're going to see. Remember, if it's last time it was around 2.7, we're going to see what's expected this time. We're going to see what happens to the stock market in real time. All right. We got 7:30. Is this station going to show it? Is this station going to show CPI in real time? Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Streaming. All right. And you guys probably seeing it in live time. I'm on delay. So we'll see what's going on with it. You guys let me know if it comes. Here we go. Is that going to? All right. Let's see if we got something coming here. Come on, guys. Here we go.
Welcome to Yahoo Finance's special coverage of the December CPI print. I'm Shauna Smith alongside Brad Smith. And the key inflation print crossing the wire right now, a CPI consumer price index on a month-over-month basis coming in line with expectations, a rise of 0.4%. When you strip out the food and energy, that core number coming in slightly below expectations, actually, of 0.2%. Digging a little bit deeper and taking a look at the year-over-year comparisons here on these numbers. CPI headline number year-over-year rising 2.9%. That was in line with what the street was looking for. A slight uptick from the prior reading that we got last month of 2.7% year-over-year basis. That core, though, year-over-year headline number coming in at 3.2%, slightly below what the street had been looking for here, the street's forecast at least of 3.3% increase. So a slightly softer reading on core inflation here, at least on that month-over-month reading coming in at 0.2% rise, year-over-year rise of 3.2%, also slightly below what the street had been looking for. So again, you can take a look at this print and say we're still making some progress on inflation.
Yeah, it's interesting, especially as I look at some of the indexes here. And of course, to this point, I had sounded like a broken record saying, hey, it's shelter that, no surprise, has driven most of the all items increase. However, that changed this month. The index for energy rose 2.6% in December, accounting for over 40% of the monthly all items increase here. The gasoline index, that increased 4.4%. You also saw the food for index, the index for food rather, also increase in December, rising 0.3%. Food at home and food away from home, both increasing 0.3% each. Some of the other indexes that did increase in December: shelter, airline fares, used cars and trucks, new vehicles, motor vehicle insurance, and medical care as well. However, some decreases here: personal care, communication, and alcoholic beverages were among the few major indexes that decreased over the month. So perhaps some people getting their dry January started a little bit early here.
Maybe there. But again, when you take a look at these headline numbers, that core year-over-year number, that the fact that we did see that figure come down, unexpectedly come down to 3.2%, marking the first drop that we have seen all the way back to July. So again, take a look at this print and we take a look at the market's reaction here. We got futures up on your screen. You're seeing a bit of a move to the upside. Also, we're seeing that upside tick here in treasuries as well. So again, the stronger than expected jobs report, coupling that here with the softer CPI print, pretty much what the street, I think, wants to hear at this point.
Yeah, absolutely. And we're going to be diving a little bit more into the movement that we're seeing here this morning, even in the CME Fed Watch tool, just briefly taking a gander at that. As of right now, we're looking at for the January meeting, which we are about 2 weeks away from, January 29th here. One of the huge things that I'm keeping tabs on is where we are currently and also what the projections are going forward from now. Not really any movement for the January meeting, but it really is coming back to how far out in the year we have to wait for some of the anticipated cuts to come forward. The Fed has signaled coming into the start of this year too, and many of the economists that we're speaking with, it seems like they're saying, hey, it could just be one, and it could be in Q4 of this year even.
All right, let's talk a little bit more about this here to break down the inflation print. We want to bring in Claudia Song.
So we got it there, good people. We see what's going on. Let's take a look. We could see right here, we have a U.S. December core inflation rate month over month, 0.2% versus 0.3%. A little cooler. The prior was 0.3. U.S. December core inflation rate year over year, 3.2 versus 3.3 forecast. So that was a little light. U.S. December inflation rate month over month, 0.4 versus 0.4. All right, unchanged. Prior 0.3, and U.S. December inflation year over year 2.9 versus 2.9 forecasted. The prior was 2.7. All right, good people. So that's it. Let's look at the markets and see what's going on with stocks and crypto. And we're going to get you guys off to work. All right, we got the S&P. And we got the Dow, we got the NASDAQ, and we got the Dow. They are up, good people. We could see the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P. So the S&P is up 22 points. The NASDAQ is up 80 points, and the Dow is now up 200 points on this inflation data, lighter than expected. Let's take a look at crypto. We got the bubbles for the hour. They all just turned green. So inflation data is good. For the day, we see a lot of green. It was already green. It's kind of just stabilizing. We know for the month, we still a little shy, but we're going to start popping some more green. All right. So let's see what's going on with crypto overall. We have inched up, good people, to 98. We were at 97 before this data came out, and now we are at 98 on Bitcoin, all right, for the hour. 1.9, as we could see, all right? Look at this, good people. XRP, I'm going to make a video on XRP, is a whopping 23% over the last 7 days. All right, good people. So, hey, I don't want to hold you long. I'm going to answer a few questions, right? I just wanted to get you guys off to work and get you guys going. All right, let's get those coffee cups going this morning. All right. Hey, good morning. Good morning. XLM, XLM, that's a good question. What's happening with XLM? I think XLM will start to take off. Let's just do that one differently. Let's go Coinbase. Let's go to XLM. I was looking at XLM and HBAR last night instead of sleeping. All right, XLM. I believe that XLM and HBAR will start to. It was moving last night. Look at that. XLM is doing well. Let's get that out of the way. XLM is doing well. Look at that. Doing well for the day. Up 11%, right? For the hour, up 3%. See that? And let's look at H bar. See what's going on with Hedera. It is also up 8% for the hour. For the day, and 3% for the hour. So H bar and XLM is also doing well. All right, good people. Hey. Well, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. This whole thing, man. This is, you know what I'm saying. It's what I cut the grass in. No, I wanted to dress up for you guys, man. I'm gonna start dressing back up again. We working on our bodies, right? On this 21-day fast. All right. Virtual's going to the moon. All right. That's good. All right. So good people. Pepe's gonna come. You said thoughts on Pepe. Pepe's coming, good people. Pepe is coming. Pepe and Bunk is coming. H bar is here. I was buying a little late last night. Not much to talk about. Good morning, New Zealand. Where's New Zealand? We got New Zealand in the house. Good morning, New Zealand. Hey, Palantir. Hey, they were getting all of this bad news about Palantir. I've been buying more Palantir. Palantir is not over. They do this all of the time. If there's a dip, they go negative. Just look at this. As a matter of fact, good people, let me show you this. When they go negative, it's with the reporting. That's when sometimes I start doing some buying. So for instance, QUBT, you guys see what happened with the quantum computing stock, right? They all took off again yesterday, and they're up in the pre-markets, right? They were up in the pre-markets. Maybe they're down. No, they're up. Look at this. Look at this, good people. QUBT up 16%, right? Let's put in D Wade. What's D Wade? Let's see here. I'm typing with my typing with my left hand. All right. I like to stack them, but you can't stack them and see where they are in the pre-markets, but they're all up. Rigetti is up. Let's see. Rigetti. They're all up. Look at the pre-markets right here. Look at that little green box right there. See that? All up 13%, 15%, 20% for the second day, right? And so those are swing trades, good people. Those are all swing trades, but they're all up. They were all up yesterday. Right? Rigetti was up almost 50% on yesterday, and it's up another 13% here. So thoughts on Doge. I still have my Doge. It's coming. Ondo, Ondo is there's so many other ones that are more bullish than Ondo, to be honest with you. To me, not saying that anything's wrong with Ondo. I have some Ondo, but I don't have a lot of Ondo. I just have some, but it's one of the ones that I have the least on. Nvidia. Good. Nvidia, I am buying more Nvidia. The Nvidia trade is not over. I know it's down over the last 3 months. Nvidia will come back. Nvidia is like Tesla. It will come back, right? Larry, come on. Yeah, no one's talking about that because I don't even know what that is, so I'm not even going to post that. Yes, sir. All right. Thoughts on ETH. ETH is a sleeper that I believe is going to come back this year. Right? I don't think it's going to overtake Solana. I don't think it's going to overtake Sui, but it will come back if you're holding. I just think Solana and Sui are better than ETH. I think they're going to outperform ETH. I'm just giving you guys the truth. Larry, go to the money moves. Yeah. I will be over to the money moves. Okay. I will be over to the money moves. And before the market opens, like I always am. All right, should I say? Okay, Thoughts on one more, and then we're gonna leave it. Casper, Casper may be good, but it's not one that I've been heavy on. Remember, some of the ones that are popular, they're just, let me say this, because I know we have these armies out there. Some of the cryptos that are popular doesn't mean they're gonna run, okay? SoFi is doing well. Let me tell you something. SoFi is one of the ones that I buy weekly. Palantir, SoFi, Affirm. Those, even though, it was looking like the interest rates were not going to lower, those are good. And so I buy more. SoFi has a SoFi, PayPal. They have a great future to me. All right. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Okay. Any word on XRP? XRP is killing it. That's the word on XRP. XRP is killing it. And so is Sui. Good people, I'm drinking some coffee. All right. Hey, good people. I'm going to leave it right there. I don't want this one to be long. I will be back before you later today. And I may do a crypto only. But right now I wanted to talk about the stock market, what's going on with it, stocks and crypto, but what's going on with the stock market. Listen, good people, for all of you that are in crypto, though I know right now in 2025, I believe it's easier to make money with crypto, don't forget your stocks, because the stocks are what you're going to be drawing from in retirement. Make sure you guys build a portfolio in the stock market, something in a retirement account. I suggest those retirement accounts. And I know I talk about moo here, but I'm going to say in your retirement account, I would suggest you do a legacy broker like Fidelity, Schwab, that type of deal. And if you really want to partake in trading or buying warrants, you need to open another broker, and it needs to be a legacy broker. I tell you guys the truth, not just what you want to hear. Okay. All right, good people. So listen, if you don't have Stock Up You, we just uploaded Trading with Ashley's we're going to be uploading her entire course starting today. You're going to see an entirely new chapter. Okay. And we have the best crypto chapter there right now. It's going up. The price is going up in February. So you got the rest of this month. Don't wait, because you're going to make money. All right. And so we got a lot. We are adding a lot to the class. All right. Stock Up You. It's going to be the top link below. And my Money Moves Stock Crypto Club will be the second link under that. And then our $5 a day coffee under that. All right, good people. We love you guys. We'll see you later on today. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Have a blessed day.